Hello, and welcome to the video. If you're new around here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. So I'm back out exploring small towns in Alberta. This week, while researching, I found a cool bison statue and thought I could make a video about that. But as it turns out, that wasn't going to happen. Fortunately, there's a lot of history in this corner of the province, so I was able to make a video of the Hairy Hill area. The community was named for the fact that the bison used to rub themselves on the thorn bushes, leaving behind clumps of fur on the surrounding landscape. Until 1907, the post office was called Soda Lake for the school division that had been formed. There was also a community in the area named Soda Lake. The area was settled by Romanians and Ukrainians, so there are a large number of churches, including a St. Mary's Romanian Orthodox Church, which has been designated a provincial historic site, and one of the oldest Romanian Orthodox churches still in use today. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into, click or tap on the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends or family members who you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next time, bye-bye.